Hey there, YouTube. Thanks for stopping by the channel and thanks for clicking play today. Today, we are going to be installing carbon fiber side skirts from Extreme Online Store. They have provided us with a set to try out. I would really like to get more carbon fiber accents on the exterior of the car because my car's carbon flash and the rest of the cars, other colors, come with carbon flash accents. And I think with a carbon flash car and some exposed carbon fiber on the boomerang, the side skirts, the front spoiler, maybe some on the rear there, that will really set the car off and give it a really nice contrast. These are a really good piece. I'll show you on the unboxing. Their carbon fiber is great. They have lots of products for multiple generations of Corvettes. We're focusing on my car, obviously, the Z06. They have a lot of products for it available and more coming out. Check them out at extremeonlinestore.com. Let's get into the review today. Thanks for being here. Okay, out of the box here, we're going to carefully open this up. Packaged very nicely. Actually, I'm going to leave that in close so that way I can put the factory side skirts back in. And I saved the box as well. So, very carefully get these open here. Wow, that is a fine looking piece. These are really freaking light too. Wow, that's awesome. I'll show you what they look like compared to the factory one. I get the first factory one off, but man, look at that carbon fiber. As you can see, I have a jack underneath the car here just to bring it up a little bit on the back. I put it on the jacking puck, the Paragon jacking puck that I have, and just jack it up. And then I'll show you underneath. There's 7 bolts and 2 clips. All right, as you can see down here, I'm under the car. We've got 7 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way through the back. They are 7mm, and then we've got 2 of these little clips here that will use a trim tool to go ahead and get out, and then we'll do that. It shouldn't take us very long, and then I'll just time lapse this for you guys. I can tell you the difference in the look of this is going to be absolutely amazing when we get this on the car. I mean, look at how amazing that looks. Wow. That looks great. And it's lighter than stock too. All right. You're simply going to end up pulling the little push pin here from the stock piece, as you can see. All right. And then push it in. And then we're going to get it. That way to hold it in. Then we can line it up for our bolts. Man, the difference on these is absolutely freaking awesome. I mean, that carbon fiber looks outstanding. I cannot wait to get the boomerangs done and then get you some pictures of it outside the car. Absolutely awesome. Well, there you have it, YouTube. Quick 10-minute install. I just jacked up the back end of the car a little bit. 7 bolts, 2 retaining clips. Pull them out, switch the retaining clips from the factory piece to the Extreme Online Store carbon fiber piece, pop it on, and then put 7 bolts up in through. And what a difference this is going to make. Between this, I'm going to do the boomerang next and the front splitter as well to give that exposed carbon fiber accent with the carbon flash metallic, because right now all of my accents blend in because they're carbon flash. This is going to be a very, very nice contrast to do on this car. So again, guys, this is a great piece. It's lighter than stock. It's gorgeous exposed carbon fiber. ExtremeOnlineStore.com. Check them out. They have plenty of stuff for any generation Corvette you have, C7, C8, no matter what model. They've got more Z06 stuff coming. We're going to be working with them, getting more of the carbon fiber onto this car so you guys can kind of see what it looks like. Again, I think just the accent pieces will be absolutely fantastic on this car. But check them out, ExtremeOnlineStore.com. Thanks for joining us today on YouTube, and we'll see you next time.